Hi everyone, it's Femi Olaniyan here, and in this video, I'll show you how you can make up to $100 or even more for free through Binance Launchpool. I'll be explaining to you everything you need to know and also show you the step-by-step guide on how to join this Binance Launchpool to get free crypto. So make sure you watch this video to the end so you don't miss any important information. And please kindly subscribe to the channel and like this video. Thank you. Now, before I explain to you what Binance Launchpool is all about, let me show you how to get to the Launchpool page on your Binance app. Now, as you can see, I'm on the home page of my Binance app, and the first thing you want to do is to tap on where the arrow is pointing to, where you can see Launchpad. Now, at the bottom of the screen, you will see where you have Home, you have Launchpad, you have Launchpool, and you have History. So you click on Launchpool right here where the arrow is pointing to. And here you have it. This is the Binance Launchpool page. And before I show you how to participate in this, let me just tell you what Binance Launchpool is all about. Now, the Binance Launchpool is a way for Binance users to get new cryptocurrencies for free by staking a crypto. Now, what do I mean by this? Now, whenever a new crypto is launching on Binance, you'll be able to see it on the Binance Launchpool page, like we can see on the screen, and you can get that crypto for free before anyone else. Now, how will you do this, or how will you join this, or how will you even participate in this? Now, to do this, you have to stake a crypto to earn the free crypto. Now, I'll be explaining to you the step-by-step and everything you need to know. And also, in case you have any question, let me know in the comment section below. And I'm sure I would have answered most of the questions you might want to ask in this video. So make sure you continue watching. Now, as at the time of making this video, the crypto that you can earn for free on the Binance Launchpool page is the Portal token. So you can see right here where you have Portal, where the arrow is pointing to, that is the crypto or the token that you can earn for free. Now you can see the one below it, which is Pixel. That one has been completed, so you can't earn that one for free again. And if you keep scrolling down, you see other projects. You see ALT, you see Manta, and then if you keep scrolling, you will see other projects that have been given out for free. So the one you can earn for free as at the time of making this video is the Portal token. Now, for this Portal token, you can stake two cryptocurrencies. You can stake your FDUSD if you have, or you can stake BNB if you have. So any one of these two cryptocurrencies you have, you can stake them on Binance to earn this Portal token for free. Now, you might want to ask me, so what will happen to the crypto that you stake after receiving your free crypto? Now, after you receive your free Portal token, the crypto you staked, which is maybe BNB or FDUSD, will be transferred back to your spot wallet, including your free crypto. So you are not losing anything. It's not as if you are using your BNB or your FDUSD to buy Portal token. No, you're only staking it to get the Portal token for free. And after you've gotten the Portal token for free, you get back your BNB or your FDUSD in your wallet. So I hope you understand that. Now let's go ahead and stake to get this Portal token for free. Now, as you can see on the screen, you can see that the total reward is 50 million. That means that they are giving out 50 million Portal tokens to different Binance users for free. And then you can see the farming period is only for 7 days. And then the time until the farming ends is in 3 days. And like I said again, you can stake FDUSD or BNB. So I have BNB in my wallet and I'm going to try and stake BNB. So to stake your BNB, just come right here and click on stake right here beside BNB. So once you click on stake, you come right here again and click on stake again. But before you click on that, in case you want to know more about this Binance Launchpool project, you can just come right here to where you have project info. Now, once you click on it, you'll be able to see the different things you need to know about this project. So for the Portal token, if you want to know more about it, just click on the website or click where you have white paper to read everything about this Portal token. Now, under project info again, for those of you that want to stake BNB, this is the information you need to see right here. So you can see today's Portal pool reward. So this is the total number of Portal tokens that they are giving out today as at the time of recording this video. So if you stake BNB, you will be getting part of this Portal token for free. And then you can see maximum hourly rewards. So every hour they are giving out 23,809 Portal token. And then you can see total BNB stake. So this is the total amount of BNB that has been staked by different users for this project. And then we are staking FDUSD. You see the same information right here. You see the total number of FDUSD pool rewards. You see today's Portal pool reward. So for today, they are giving out 1.4 million Portal token. And then you see that every hour they are giving out 5,952 portal token. So you can read all of this information on the project info page. Now let's go back to the pool and let's stake. Now, like I said again, I want to stake BNB for this. Now to do this, I click on stake right here. And then you can see right here where it says your BNB will be deducted from your spot account and logged into your Launchpool account within your savings wallet. So that means that you must have BNB in your spot wallet already. In case you don't have, just make sure you go and transfer to your spot wallet, or maybe if it's that you have another crypto, you can convert that crypto to your BNB. So once you've done that, just come right here and enter the amount of BNB you want to stake. So let's say, for example, I want to stake just 3.5 BNB. I will enter 3.5 right here. And once you've done that, you come right here and click on stake. You can see successfully staked BNB. Now, after you staked, the next thing is you will see where you have my stake. So you can see 3.5 BNB. That's the amount of BNB I have staked. And right here where it says rewards received, this is where you'll be seeing the number of portal tokens that you have received. And then where you have unclaimed rewards, this is where you'll be seeing the total number of portal tokens that you have not claimed. And if you want to claim your portal token, just come right here to where you have claim right here and click on it. I can't click on it because I don't have any portal token to claim. So, but once you click on it, your portal token will be transferred to your spot wallet immediately. Now, let's for example, you want to unstake or you want to redeem your BNB back. You want to transfer your BNB back to your spot wallet. Just come right here to where you have redeem right here. And once you click on redeem, just enter the amount of BNB you want to redeem. So if it's that you want to redeem everything, which is 3.5 that I just staked, just enter 3.5 and click on redeem right here. But I'm not doing that. And let's say you want to also stake more BNB. Just come right here to where you have stake right here. Just click on stake and just enter the amount of BNB you want to stake. And like I said, your rewards will be increasing every 1 hour till the end of the farming period. So take note of that. Now, you might want to ask me that, is the Binance Launchpool safe? Yes, it is safe. It is just a way for Binance users to get free tokens before anyone else. Your money, your BNB, the token you are staking, everything is safe right there. Now, also, you might want to ask that, how much will you be earning? Now, the amount of portal token you'll be earning will depend on the amount you are staking. You can see at the top of the screen where it says total rewards, which is 50 million, which means that they are giving out 50 million portal token. So let's say there are 100 people participating in this. The rewards will be shared based on the amount you staked. So let's say it's BNB everyone staked. So the rewards will be shared based on the amount of BNB you staked. So the higher you stake, the more portal token you'll be getting for free. And let's say, for example, you are able to get like 100 portal tokens for free at the end of the farming period. And let's say the starting price of portal on Binance is like $0.5. That means that you've made $50 for free. Or let's say you're able to get 200 portal tokens for free and the starting price is at $0.5. That means that you've gotten $100 for free. So again, the more you stake, the more portal token you get for free. Now, for those of you who are watching to this point of this video, after the farming period, I'm going to be giving out some of these tokens to 10 people for free. I'll be giving out this portal token to 10 people for free. Now, to be among the 10 people who will be getting this portal token for free from me, all you just have to do is participate in this launch pool. And once you are done, drop a comment in the comment section of this video to let me know. And I'll be picking 10 people randomly. I'll be picking the 10 people randomly. Now, the winners will also be announced on my Telegram channel. And the link to my Telegram channel will be in the description below. So make sure you click the link to join my Telegram channel. Thank you for watching and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.